So this is a double swing 16-foot gate. The frame is going to be built out of 2x2 square tubing, 073 wall thickness. Just doing all the cuts on my Ellis bandsaw. Little pricey, but that Ellis 1600, I mean, it pays for itself so quick. You get nice clean cuts, square every time. You know, it miters, you know what I mean? It has a mitering head on it, so it makes it super convenient. So very nice saw. Cleaning up, deburring it right there. And then right here, what I'm doing is getting out the Swag Off-Road tubing roller. Pretty good machine. Makes nice radiuses. A little bit of elbow grease because it's a manual. And then I put a string line to get my radius. I think I had a 1 foot radius. And then squaring up the frame, assembling. Those fireball squares are really nice to get everything square. Saves a lot of time so you're not messing with the frame square. Tacking everything up and and then checking, you know, everything if it's square and pulling my diagonals. And so I'll go into more detailed video on how I actually, you know, cut the radiuses and, you know, put both frames together, because like I said, this is a double swing, but I'm making this video pretty short just because it's my first time editing. So like I said, just there's a certain way that I do it to where it looks uniform on that top radius right there. But yeah, like I said, I'll do a more detailed video in the future when I get the hang of this. This is a little jig I made for the spacing of the pickets. I'm using 3/4 pickets right here. And how I do it is I'll start in the center of the frame and I'll work my way out. No more than 4 inches between the pickets is code in my area here in California. And this is kind of a time-consuming process, and I'm not really happy with how I do it. It's just I'm very limited on space. Otherwise, I would, you know, cut it a little longer and then scribe and cut instead of measuring every single one. But for what it is, it's a pretty small gate, and it worked out pretty good. So this is a fit up on one of them, just to show how it fits up and how the jig kind of works. It spaces it out every time, and then here it is welding. I kind of jump weld, you know what I mean? I'll go down one side and come back the other side just to avoid as much heat distortion as I can. And then, like I said, it's a short video, so here is the finished product. It was 2 identical gates and then 1 man gate in the center. Very simple design, but that was what the customer wanted. So thank you for watching, and I'll post some more videos on how I build these gates. Thanks.